Do you hear nature calling? You hear that? Take time. Take a breath this morning. Take time for you. Take time for spirit. Fall back and go within. The greatest things come to you when you're not even seeking it. The greatest things come to you when you don't even realize what's coming. They're here too now. Got the crows, got the chirp of the birds, got the owls, even had a woodpecker. Take space, in spirit, in mind. Don't worry about the rat race. You are one. I love you, Starlights. Have a good day.